Can you answer this at a glance? Let me know in the comments. If yes, how do you solve this? Now, let's solve it together. Since we have 2 as the base here and we have 64 as the base here, what we have to do is to express 64 in base 2 such that 64 will be 2 power something. So now let's try. How many times are we going to multiply 2 to get 64? So if we say 2 times 2, this will give 4, then times 2, this will give 8. We keep multiplying till we get 64 times 2. This will give 16, then times 2. This will give 32, then times 2. This will give 64. That means we multiply 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the same thing as 2 power 6. So that was what we will use to substitute 64 from here, such that 2x, 2 power x will be equal to 2 power 6. And since we are having the same base, all we have to do is just to equate the powers. We make the powers equal so that x will be equal to 6. Were you able to get it before I solved it, or did you solve along as I solved? Let me know in the comments.